sure. These ones are really cute though.
Very cute.
At the moment, the sea looks bluer than the sky. Do you not think, because we're like Phantom Deck,
Yeah.
we'd have to have a specific side? Because it's always like ants on the left. So who's Phantom, who's Deck then?
I'm Van.
We talk about more interesting things, John Jack.
There's a sailboat out there.
No way, it's the sea. Oh look, we can see more of the sky now. Look at that! Just put your hand right in front of the camera. Look how pink it looks on my camera. Hi!
Hiya. Yes,
Hi guys. You can walk down here. Like this. Not backwards, Georgia, you're clumsy.
please.
I'm not going to. Okay, she's like, I'm not